I really want you to think about this question. When was the last time you really opened up to someone, went deep with someone, and really understood them, really related to them? When was the last time you weren't afraid to tell someone this, share this with someone? When was the last time that happened? Because, bro, I'll be honest. For me, in real life, that never happened to me for years. Years. I haven't experienced that connection and bonding with someone else in years. And I'm not gonna say like, oh, I did this one thing to change it. Like, I literally haven't changed it. This problem is so hard to deal with because there's so many people who don't really relate to us, don't really, like, they're not on the same level as us, really. Whether, like, not trying to be egotistical or something, like, we just can't relate to that many people. So many people just don't want to stop playing video games. So many people just don't want to, not go on social media and stuff. They just don't want to do that. So it is so hard for this to happen, whether it's because we're just at school and nobody really cares at school, whether in any public place. Maybe we're just socially awkward, so we can't even do it. It's funny how 5 minutes before I filmed this video, I was DMing someone on Discord and he was really able to just open up to me, and I was able to show that, like, yeah, I've experienced the same things, doing bad habits, not being able to stay disciplined, unsure about their life, and just feel like they're in some massive rut and can't really do anything. We're both giving each other advice and feedback and really trying to help each other. Like, when was the last time you experienced something like that? Where you were able to open up to someone? Yeah, it's not in person, but just opening up to someone and someone genuinely trying to help you and give you advice. Even if you don't like have advice, even if you don't have all the answers. How, Sway? You don't have all the answers. Just having someone you could really connect with and relate to. And also, about a week ago, I was on a call with someone in my Discord, and we could just relate so much. We both had the same stories of how we used to play video games. We're trying so hard not to play video games anymore. We try harded in Brawl Stars all the time. You know who you are, bro. You're a freaking legend. But we related so much. Both laughing, both giving advice to each other, actually helping each other and connecting. Both so glad that we changed and we're not like everyone else. We're actually glad that we don't fit in. When was the last time someone understood you, laughed with you, wanted you to get better? That last one, man, wanted you to get better. When was the last time someone just wanted me to get better? When was the last time someone wanted you to get better? The hard part too is it's so easy to forget how important, how vital it is for social interaction. And it's even harder to realize how important connecting and socializing with other people who relate to you. It's so hard to have a circle of people nowadays that just want to grow and not play video games. That's actually so hard to get. And if you can get any type of that, bro, cherish that moment. Cherish those people who actually want to help you, like those good friends. I'm not trying to make this video extremely depressing or just talk about some problem and just like there's no solution to it really. But I feel like one thing that really makes me so proud about the internet and stuff is that the fact that you can have communities, you can have clubs and things like that where all of the people that are in there relate to each other, are like-minded, which is why I made a club of like-minded people that you can join in the description. Because if you join this club, you'll actually be able to relate to someone. You'd actually be able to connect and maybe even make a really good friend. Because how much would you pay for a good friend, someone who you can relate to, some great advice? And it's completely free, so join that like-minded club right now. I can't wait to see you in there. And some people even said in the club that this is their only way to really connect with people. School sucks, everything else sucks in life, man. It's honestly so annoying. So many things in life just suck. Everybody just doesn't care as much as we do. Or join that club, bro. We're waiting for you. Even if you don't talk, even if you don't go on a call, bro, that's completely fine. Just being able to have some access to some connections and networks, I guess, to people who actually relate to you and like you and have the same values and goals as you have. Because we all want to be rich. We all want to be successful. We all want to live purposeful lives. So join that club to get more of that. And yeah, just this video was mainly to really emphasize, like, when was the last time you actually had a deep connection with someone? And if you join the club, you'll probably get something like that. So yeah, just something for you to think about, something for you to reflect on. And it is possible to change. It isn't impossible. It's possible. So cherish any moment you can get of that. So I'll see you later, bro. Peace.